At night, when you walk on the street, you can see lights around you, and lights come from electricity. Therefore, electricity plays an essential and indispensable role in our daily life. Consequently, it's very important for high school students to know the methods for electricity generation. The traditional method for electricity generation is thermal power, which is using fossil fuels. However, global warming and energy crises are exacerbating. So, using renewable energy for electricity generation should be firstly considered. In my video, I'll introduce the process of wind energy for electricity generation. Wind energy for electricity generation is using wind turbines. A wind turbine consists of 3 planes, a hub, a nacelle, and a tower. Inside the nacelle, there is a gearbox and a generator. The gearbox connects the hub and the generator together. The function of the gearbox is to change the transmission ratio. The generator is the heart of the wind turbine, where electricity is generated. Overall, let me briefly conclude the process of a wind turbine for electricity generation. Firstly, wind can rotate the blades which drive the rotation of the hub. Then, the motive power is transmitted to gearbox, where the transmission ratio is changed. Finally, the generator is activated to generate electricity. That's the end. Thank you.